Even if you don't love vegetables, then watch out this recipe and tell me if you won't fall for this meal. Stay tuned and let's cook. Let us start with introducing our vegetables for today. First, I have my cabbage, I have celery roots, I also have just normal celery, I have onions, okay, even if it's red and white, you can use any onion. I have my carrot, I have three color bell peppers, and garlic cloves. To be honest with you, there is no specific vegetables for today's recipe. Use any vegetables you have at home, it is perfect. The last time I did cook with me vlog, people I had this meal on that vlog. So some of my followers asked me to post the exact recipes of that meal. So this is the recipe in that video. Okay, so I hope you enjoy watching this. It is super delicious. Vegetables with fish and shrimps. Very healthy one. And also, I will use this opportunity to say thank you so much to my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch my video. You all are amazing. Thank you so much. If this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thanks for watching. This is what I love to do. It is my hobby and also it's my profession. So I bet you there are interesting recipes coming ahead. You want to stay connected by subscribing to this channel and also hit the notification bell just to be among the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much for doing that. If you don't have what I'm using to slice my vegetables, at least you have your kitchen knife. You want to go for your kitchen knife, slice all your vegetables well. What I do is just I make sure to slice them very thin, not too big, to make it easier for me to cook, and also it looks so interesting while you enjoy your vegetables. What I'm doing here is to take off the top part of the celery, the rope side part. As you can see, it is more fun to chew. It's easier to chew without having those ropes hangs as a sticked in your teeth. So this is one reason you should take off those parts of the celery. If you are done with this, cut everything and set aside. Now all the vegetables is well cut, look good and great. We want to set aside again. Again, what we have is our shrimps. Okay, my shrimps is well cleaned. Another thing is my fish. Okay, I have hackfish. You can call it medusa or melusa hackfish. It is well cleaned also. You can go for lime or go for vinegar to clean your fish, just to take off any foul smell, and then you want to go ahead and cut everything very well. Please go for any fish of your choice. Any fish of your choice is capable for this recipe. Now I will season my fish with paprika powder, vegetable season with thyme, black pepper. I season with salt and some pressed garlic cloves. And lastly, you will go ahead and introduce some amount of oil to absorb all the spices, okay? And to my shrimps, I only season with salt and black pepper. Okay, the shrimps, just salt and black pepper, that's it. Now, here we go. This is the interesting part. What I've been waiting for. It is time to cook. Go ahead, introduce some amount of oil in your preheated pan and then add in your fish. Make sure your fish does not have too much liquid so it doesn't splash everywhere. So you want to toast your fish until you have a nice color brown. Flip to the other side, add in nice butter and use that melted butter to glaze on top of your fish. Just infuse this nice flavor in that fish. Okay, when that is done, look at what we have. It is super good looking and yummy. Take off your fish. Okay, it didn't break, it's just perfect. Take off your fish and go in with your shrimps, the same pan, those flavor, those garlic and everything. Just introduce your fish. your shrimps. What I did to my shrimps was just the salt and the black pepper. You want to toast your shrimps in this butter flavor pan, just a little bit, I mean, and then pour it in your fish. Now it is time to bring to the oven because it is not 100% done. As you see my oven, it's on 75 degrees C, meaning it's not changing any cooking process. It's just going to stay warm in there, okay, and completely well cooked. Just leave it there and prep the next ingredients. Now I went in with some amount of oil in a fresh pot. Go in with all your vegetables, leaving the garbage behind. I did not add the garbage. I went in with all the vegetables because they cook a little bit longer. Meanwhile, we are not cooking this too long, okay? We're not cooking this too long. So after toasting your vegetables here and there, I season with just my vegetables. I season with just salt and oregano, okay? I don't like to season my vegetables too much, so I only went for salt and oregano. You want your vegetable to stay al dente, okay? You want it to stay this not too cooked. So I had to pour them out so that I don't overcook them for now. Just set aside. In the same pot, you want to go in with some amount of oil. Go in with your tomato paste, pressed garlic or sliced garlic. Toast all that. Please do not allow these two things to get burnt. Then introduce your fresh tomatoes, maybe sliced or blended tomatoes or canned tomatoes like me. Now you want to introduce them, cover it up, let it cook for not more than 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, just let it start bubbling. Come back, season with small amount of vegetable powder or season as much as you can take. And then go in with a tablespoon of sugar. Yes, you heard me right. In my years of cooking school or cooking experience, there is no short cooked tomato sauce without a pinch of sugar. This is to balance the acidity of your tomato sauce. Heat cooking process, long cooking is a killer of vitamins. So if you want to retain your vitamins, you want to balance the sourness of your tomato sauce. It's not for whole recipe. Balance the sourness of the acidity of the tomato sauce with some pinch of sugar. Okay, just don't try it and let me know in the comment section. Okay, so and then I seasoned again with some chili flakes and basil. I went in with my sliced cabbage. So remember, we didn't cook the cabbage together with the other vegetables earlier. The sliced cabbage, pour back all the cooked vegetables, okay? And you see the saucy, the way I'm turning it here. I would have preferred more sauce, okay? This is the mistake I said I was going to correct. I would have loved it so, sauce and sauce and sauce. Okay, so I have in the description box, I have added more tomato sauce. In place, I went for 4. I underestimated the quantity of my vegetables. Okay, so that was the problem here. So in the comment section, I will leave in place of 400 gram of tomato sauce, 400 of 600 gram of tomato sauce. Okay, because I love those sauce. Now debone your fish. Please do not introduce your fish without deboning it. I placed some aside for my daughter. Pour in all the fish you have or the shrimps. You can also skip the shrimps. Use whatever you have. You can do this pot without fish or shrimps. You can do it with chunks of meat. It is perfect. Okay, look at that. I love this pot. So you want to serve with spaghetti, serve with rice, serve with yam, or serve with any of your side dish. And that's it. Thank you all so much for watching this far. Please don't forget to hit the like button, share with your loved ones. Also leave your opinion down below. See you in my next one, lovelies. Bye for now.